100 miles an hour. Back on the stick there. Vicki Benzing is an amazing individual. She's an airshow racer. Her passion. Everything that she does, and with commercial ratings and so many different kinds of airplanes, she just loves audiences across the country. Way up in the article once again as she flies the steerman into this maneuver, the hammer and turn around. Vicki's passion for everything airborne has spanned a flying career of over 40 years. She still remembers her first flight in her uncle's airplane when she was a small child, and inspired by that flight, she learned to fly in her hometown of Watsonville. Vicki was thrilled by the spin. Subsequently took on she's going to reposition this ton-and-a-half airplane made from fabric and wood back into the right as she sets up for her next maneuver. But judged by your round of applause, how do you like Vicki Benzing so far? This airplane, built by the Boeing Company in Tulsa, Oklahoma back in 1940, and it went on to serve during World War II, training hundreds of American pilots. In its later years, it became a crop duster. Started from military service and purchased for just $770, and later it was disassembled, placed in storage, and in 1990, restored. In 1998, purchased the aircraft, and she flies in some of the most prestigious air shows across the United States. In this display of power and grace in the completing the big Q&A. Vicki Benzing up into the vertical once again as she trains that airspeed for altitude. Another hammerhead turnaround using that big rudder in the turn. Vicki Benzing was chosen as the Rookie of the Year. The National Championship Air Races held in Reno, having won her first race ever.